Yes, wow. Really, the video is beautiful. Loved it. Okay. Yes, children. Now let's step into the next session, that is Fun Corner. Yes. See, what do you see on the screen? Lovely, lovely flats. There are lovely, lovely flats. Do you know, children? These lovely flowers are made with vegetable impressions. Do you know lady's finger? How many of you eat lady's finger to stay healthy? Yes, I know all my kids love eating lady's finger. Yes, in today's session, let us have art with lady's finger impression. Yes, children? Ask your mama to give you a small slice of lady's finger and dip the slice of lady's finger into the colors you love the most. If you love red color, dip the lady's finger slice in red color. If you want yellow, you can take yellow, red, blue, green, indigo, pink, etc. Whatever you want, you can dip the lady's finger slice into the color you love the best and make impression in the form of a flower. It's an easy task. Hope you all love doing this. Take the help of your mama or papa and have a great time in making different pics with lady's finger slices. Yes, children? Yes, children, not only lady's finger. There are so many vegetables. Vegetables like tomato, carrot, onion, potato, pumpkin, chili. Yes, whatever you like, whichever vegetable you like, you just ask your mama to make a slice of it and give you. And what you have to do, you have to dip it. Dip it into your favorite color and make flowers, animals, birds, vegetables, fruits or anything you like. Yes, children, Fun Corner. Hope you have enjoyed the Fun Corner. Lovely. It's really a lovely thing. You can even make your favorite alphabet. You can even make your favorite numbers. Yes, draw the numbers and give the impression of vegetables on them with different colors. Yes, you can have your own album. Yes, art. Like you all know, it's a fun time. And children love doing different activities in fun time. And this is a small, a simple, a beautiful one with lots of colors. Yes, children, hope you will do. You will do. First of all, what you have to do? You have to draw a pic. Any pic. It may be a bird, it may be a fruit, it may be a vegetable, it may be anything you like. And after that, take the slice of any vegetable you like, dip into the colors and give the impression. Okay? You'll really love doing this. And this is a fantastic way to start your album of art. Yes, I know, children, I know you will be doing this and you will be having a lot of fun. Yes, here you need only 3 simple things. Isn't what are those? Any vegetable slice, colors, paper. That's all. If you have these 3 things, that's enough. You can make wonderful art. Yes, my little artist, I know that you will be doing this. You will be preserving it. You will be doing it in a separate book and will be having a lot of fun. Take the guidance, take the help of your family members. your mama or papa or your brother or your sister in doing this beautiful artistic work. Yes, children. Yes. This is all about the fun session. Very much. I really tell that you people will be having a lot of fun, a lot of enjoyment, a lot of happiness in doing this favorite artistic work. Yes. Yes. What do you see on the screen? Yes. Motor skill exercises? Yes. You little buddies can do exercises like these to keep yourself healthy, to keep all the parts of your body growing great, becoming strong. Yes. What is the first motor skill? Curl up. Curl up like an egg. Yes. Curl up like an egg. See, try to imitate the pig. Yes, everybody, lie down on the floor. Yes, before lying on the floor, see, the floor should be very clean and neat. Lie down on the floor and try to catch your knee. Bring your knee close to your face. Yes, hold them with your hands. This is how to curl up. Curl up like an egg. Try, everybody. Yes, I know you people are super active, hyperactive kids, you're all. Yes, yes, everybody. This kind of stretchings, twistings, shakings and movings will help you to make your body parts strong so that you can write, read, paint, color, do so many activities in the class, at home easily. Yes. What is the second motor skill? Crawl like a caterpillar. Crawling. Yes, you love doing this. First of all, yes, bend on the floor. Touch your knees to the ground. Have the balance with your hands. Lift your body from the ground. Yes, this is the exact position of crawl. Babies crawl. Your little sister or little brother at home do this crawling before walking. Yes, babies, before walking, they crawl. Yes, I hope that you all are in the position of crawling. Yes, nice, nice, nice. You can go here, there, from one side to the other side, from left side to the right side, from back side to the front side. Nice, children, nice. But do remember, don't hurt yourself while doing these motor skill exercises. Let's see what is there of the next. Yes, be as still as. What is this? Crystallis. Yes, children, it's a simple one. Simple one. First, sit down on the floor. Yes, bend your knee. Yes, get it close to you. Yes, now hold your knees with your hands and don't move. Yes, try to be in the position for at least few seconds. If you can't, you give it up. But try and try in the presence of your parents. Really, you'll be having a lot of fun, children. Believe me, all these skills are very much important to make yourself strong so that you can read, write, play, run, walk, color, paint, trace. Yes, you can do all these works with ease. Let's step into the next now. Fourth one, love. Very simple one. Rolo, it's a very simple one. Fly like a butterfly. Yes, everybody love to fly like a bird. Yes, it's a very simple task, very simple exercise. Just stand up, stand up, stand straight. Yes, stretch your hands, wide open your hands. Yes, give the moment of flying, feel like flying. Yes, repeat, repeat, repeat doing these exercises. Yes, children, fantastic. Keep practicing. Yes. What is our last session? The last session is good habit of the day. Good habit. You all are good kids. Yes, your teachers love you, your school loves you, your parents love you because you are all good. Getting up early in the morning. Yes, are you getting up early in the morning? Can you tell me at what time are you getting up? 5 o'clock, 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., no 8 a.m. Really good children, get up early in the morning and do all the motor skill exercises to stay healthy and happy. Yes, lovely children, I know that you will follow this good habit of getting up early in the morning. Yes. Let me tell you about your home task. Here is the home task. Yes, we give home tasks so that you become perfect in whatever you have learned so far. Yes, children, trace the standing line and sleeping line. Yes, you love doing this. Yes, children, do them. It's only one page work is given. Just trace. Yes. English. Yes, English. In English, what is your home task? Your home task is tracing. What you have to trace? You have to trace standing line and sleeping line. Have lot of fun. Math. In math, you need to write the numbers 1 to 10 5 times. Practice makes you perfect. Art and craft. Yes, I already told you. Create a flower, create a fruit or anything you love with vegetable impression. Here you take the help of your mama and papa or any other family member. Yes, children, create your own art. I know you are great artist. Yes. Yes, children. Yes. After completing your homework, you have to do a small work. Tell your parents to WhatsApp it to the class group. Okay, children? Hope it's a very simple homework. We have given home task so that you will become perfect in learning. After completing your work, just ask your mama or papa to post it in the class WhatsApp group. Okay, children? Nice. Nice. Thank you, everybody. Have a joyful learning. Really, it's a joyful learning. You have participated in a fun learning. Have a great time. Keep smiling, everybody. Let me see you tomorrow in the next session. Yes. Stay healthy. Stay safe. Yes, keep smiling. Bye-bye. Catch you in the next session.